How to add your house name on Google Maps. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Maps on your device. Here, click on the layer icon at the top right. Now, you'll find satellite. Click on satellite in here. Then, zoom into your home location. After you've done that, simply click on contribute at the bottom. Here, click on add place. After you've clicked on add a place, type in your place name, home, category, again category, address, then press on submit at the bottom. After you do this, you get email updates if this is reviewed, and after you do that, you'll find your address. That this is how to add your house name on Google Maps. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.